Hello guys, it's your DIY house husband here again, and in this video I'll be changing the or repairing the clutch control of our L200. So this is the master clutch, is one, and I will be repairing this one since it's leaking inside, and also since I'm going to change the kit of this one inside the repair kit. I'll also be draining the fluid of this one since it's dirty. So let me just show you the fluid on that one. It's color, it's about brown black. So for this repair, I'll be showing you how to remove the clutch master and then the secondary clutch or the slave, and then afterwards we'll be having the adjustment, the clutch pedal adjustment, or the bleeding. So let me show you why I am going to change the or repair the clutch master. So I'm here down the dashboard, so I hope I can show to you properly. So that one, that is this is the clutch. Actually that's the clutch, and if you try to see, it's leaking. So if I press on the pedal, the clutch pedal, I don't know if you can see it, but there are some fluids yan, coming out. So I need to repair that one, and yeah, as you can see, I put the tissue there. And this is what happens if you don't repair your clutch master. Let me just remove this one to show you the carpet. So you can see it's all rusty down here. Yeah, that will happen to your car if you will not change your let me show you the rust. Yeah, so that will happen to your car if you don't repair your clutch master soon. Okay, so let me just cover that one again. I'll be cleaning that one later maybe. Okay, so the first thing to do is before removing the clutch control, let us drain the fluid. So let me just show you what are the things you need to have when repairing the clutch control. You need to have a socket wrench, of course, and then of course the this one, brake fluid. So my L200 can have .3 or .4. And then rubber grease. This is for the greasing of your push rod later. And your old bottle, do not throw your old bottle because we will be putting our drained fluid here, and you'll be needing a tubular some hose like this, and this is, I think, 6 to 7 millimeters. I'm not sure, but you can have it at 6 to 8, maybe 6 to 8 millimeters. Then my bleeder kit. This is just an ordinary bottle with of course this one tube also. And my secondary, this is my slave or secondary clutch repair kit, and my primary clutch repair kit. This one, if you're buying this part, make sure that it comes with the cup. As you can see, my clutch master a while ago doesn't have a cup, a rubber cup, so I bought something like this. I don't know, supposedly this is not its rubber cup, but I don't have any rubber cup, so I'll make use of this one. Then of course, since this is a messy job, need to have tissue, syringe for uh, sucking the brake fluid later, and then a brush to clean some parts. And I'll be having my container where you can put your primary clutch and your secondary clutch control. And of course, this is optional, ruler in adjusting the pedal. Okay, so let's drain our uh, brake fluid or our clutch fluid. Okay, so we'll be draining this fluid. So I have my old bottle here. So I'll be sucking it up first using my force syringe. Small, very small syringe. If you have a bigger syringe, then it's better. Okay, putting it here. And be sure not to spill some of the contents. Because this will eat your paint, will corrode your metal. Okay, so I think that's done. The next step is to go under the car and then open the bleeder. And of course, if you're flashing, leave this one open, do not close it, because of course the pressure should go down. If you're going to close it, then it will have a vacuum effect. Okay. Okay, so under here, I'd jack up the cross member, that one. So we had the jack, crocodile jack there, and we have jack stand here. Just after the transmission support. So we have one jack stand here and then one jack stand there. Okay. Okay. So it's very hard to record here down the. So that's the bleeder. This is the bleeder of the secondary one. So let me just clean that part. Okay. And then okay, so insert a 10 mm wrench on the bleeder here, then just hang it, and then insert the tube. Okay. 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 So I think that might do. And then don't forget to this is quite small actually, so just put it here, and then going back here, this one, rotate this one, okay, upward, and then let's see if there is an oil coming up, coming down. Is there an oil? Okay, so I think you need to loosen it more. Okay. Okay. Let's check. Yeah, I think the oil is dripping.